Welcome home, 28,330 Moray Drive. Recreational and entertainment hub. Aerial view of lake. Virtually staged porch. Relax and enjoy SWFL. Front door entry and large living room. Dining room. Virtually staged morning room and family room. Great room concept. Open family room, morning room, and kitchen. Kitchen stainless steel appliances. Great room concept leading to pool. Kitchen pass-through window to dining room. Light and bright. Virtually staged owner's suite. New carpet. Owner's suite. Direct access to pool. Owner's suite bathroom. Large vanity and tub. Owner's suite bathroom. Walk-in shower and makeup vanity. Owner's bathroom. Second vanity. Bedroom number 3. New carpet. Bathroom number 2. Shower and tub combo. Bedroom number 2. New carpet. Bathroom number 3. Shower and tub combo. Bedroom number 4. New carpet. Laundry room with utility sink and cabinets. Virtually staged lanai and pool area. Pool and large deck area. Pool, outdoor entertainment. Aerial view of home. Aerial view of backyard. Aerial view of home and surroundings. Aerial view of Moray Drive. Carlyle floor plan. Amazing amenity center. Landmark clock tower. Beautifully decorated interior town center. Library/game room. Resort style heated pool. Tennis and pickleball center. West/gathering area. Heated lap pool. Fitness center. Basketball bocce center. West/gathering area. Tot lot. Town center concept. Full service restaurant. Come watch your favorite team. Gas pumps. That New York bagel place. USPS service counter. Unique butterfly gardens. Beautifully landscaped walk, bike, and golf cart paths. Guard gated community.